Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, July 30th, 2025, and we have a great mix of science headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Biomed News breaks NanoViricides, an American NNVC, highlights NV-387 as potential treatment for growing measles outbreaks. NanoViricides Inc. highlights NV-387 as a potential treatment for the growing measles outbreaks in the U.S., Canada, the UK, and the EU. The drug candidate has shown effectiveness and safety in animal studies and completed a Phase 1 clinical trial with no adverse events. NanoViricides suggests NV-387 may qualify for orphan drug and fast-track designations, potentially accelerating approval and offering 7 years of market exclusivity. With measles cases on the rise and vaccination rates challenged by hesitancy, NV-387 fills a critical medical need, addressing a gap in approved treatments for the disease. ESGold Corp, ESAUF, seen as offering unique low-risk revenue generation model. ESGold Corp, listed on the CSE as ESAU and on the OTCQB as ESUF, is gaining attention for its unique low-risk revenue generation model. Instead of focusing on speculative mining exploration, ESGold is prioritizing accessible revenue generation by rehabilitating an established legacy mine site in Quebec. The company aims to recover known metals and minerals profitably, generating significant revenue in the first few years of operation. ESGold recently conducted an ambient noise tomography survey, revealing open potential for future exploration at the site. This approach sets ESGold apart in the gold and silver market, emphasizing a revenue-first strategy for developing abandoned mine operations into profitable enterprises.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.